Globe Earth or flat Earth? Which one is reality? Which one do we observe in our everyday lives? In this video, we'll figure that out. 5 topics will be presented, and then the Globe Earth and flat Earth sides will give their arguments and explanations for the topics at hand. And with the use of our handy-dandy scoreboard, we will be able to determine which one is objective reality. Topic 1. The movement of the stars. Globe Earth says that we rotate, so there is an apparent motion of the stars, while the flat Earth says that the stars are revolving above us to where they're actually moving. Well, both of these do seem like pretty good explanations, only if we could get an experiment.
Hold it!
Seems like famous flat earther Bob Nodell has an experiment to see if the Earth rotates or not. Let's take a look.
We've carried out an experiment to test the rotation to the Earth. If the Earth is spinning at one rotation every 24 hours, that means that every hour it has to turn 15 degrees. And if the gyroscope is mounted anywhere on Earth, it's going to drift. In today's 21st century navigation systems, they're using what's called a ring laser gyroscope. It is extremely precise. If we could simply get one of these ring laser gyroscopes, we would be able to prove once and for all that there is no rotation to the Earth. One of the people in the community actually purchased one for $20,000. But what we found is when we turned on that gyroscope, we found that we were picking up a drift, a 15-degree-per-hour drift.
Thanks, Bob. Well, that experiment seems to prove that the Earth does rotate, so that's a point for Globe Earth. Topic 2. The Sun and Moon. The Globe Earth explanation for the Sun and Moon is that the Sun is a large ball of plasma and heats up the Earth through nuclear fusion, and the Moon is a big spherical rock that we did land on, and that the Moon reflects sunlight. Pretty good, pretty good. Flat Earth, let's see what they have to say. They exist? No duh, I think anyone can tell that. The Sun may be an interdimensional portal. Okay. Sun and Moon are opposite charges and make a battery. And the Moon emits cold light. Because you can emit cold light. Totally is possible. Because you're emitting positive energy in the form of light, but then not positive energy in the form of cold. Yeah, maybe they looked at the Sun too much. Yeah, we know they exist. You can stop looking at it, because I think your brains are getting melted from that. So yeah, after those explanations, I think Globe Earth easily wins that one. I mean, like, did you see what the Flat Earth came up with? Interdimensional portal. Guys, the Earth cannot be a sphere, but the Sun is an interdimensional portal. Just trust me on this one, guys. Jesus. -1 point for Flat Earth, and give a point for Globe Earth. Well, after that disaster in topic 2, maybe Flat Earth will be able to redeem themselves in topic 3. What makes things fall? The Globe Earth explanation is gravity is the reason things fall. They have backup from Newton's law of gravity and later Einstein's theory of relativity to help explain why gravity happens. Real-life applications of Newton's law of gravity and experiments help to prove Einstein's theory of general relativity, such as the Eddington experiment of 1919, when astronomer Arthur Eddington saw that the position of the stars changed during a solar eclipse compared to when the sun was not in that position of the solar eclipse, showing that Einstein's theory of relativity, of gravity being able to warp space-time and light being possible, as the light from the stars bent to the exact same as calculated by Einstein's equations of general relativity. Let's see what the Flat Earth has to say. Globe Earth brought up some really good points there and experiments. Density and buoyancy are the reason things fall. If an object is more dense than air, it will fall, and less dense, it will rise. Well, density isn't a force, and buoyancy literally has gravity in its equation. Like, density, there's no reason for an object to fall down if it's more dense. It could fall anywhere for that reason. And then you also get into the whole thing of, like, what's the medium? Well, yes, air, but, like, what if you put a full soda can on top of an empty soda can? Does the empty soda can become the new medium for the full one? in which then the full one would fall right through the empty one because it's less dense. So it would fall, but that does not happen. Yeah, kind of just saying, oh, density does it, but not really saying anything other than that isn't a good explanation. Give a point to Globe Earth. Well, Flat Earth still isn't bringing up good points, so it seems like Globe Earth might just sweep this one, with Flat Earth having a negative point, so I guess I'd be like an ultra sweep or something, but whatever. So let's see. Topic 4. Curvature or lack thereof it. This is the big one. Is it flat? Is it curved? Let's see the arguments. Globe Earth. Picture of the Earth. Round. Spherical. And Flat Earth saying that we see too far. And no picture of the Flat Earth. Yeah, I kind of gotta go with Globe Earth here. It's literally a picture of the Earth showing that it's a sphere. It's making it so easy. Flat Earth's got nothing. That's another point for Globe Earth. All right, we're down to our last topic of the day. Topic 5, triangles. So this one is pretty straightforward. On a curved surface, such as the globe, the interior angles of a triangle will add up to more than 180 degrees. And for the flat Earth, on flat surfaces, like a flat Earth, the interior angles of a triangle will add up to exactly 180 degrees. So what we see in the picture below is transcontinental triangulation measurements between Mount Lola in California, Mount Diablo in California, and Mount Helena in Montana. So the angles in the first column all add up to 179. But wait, we still have to take account for the arc minute and arc second measurements. You add up all the arc minutes, they add up to 60, and 60 arc minutes equals a degree. You just take the 179 angles plus the 1 arc minute, you get 180. I see Flat Earth's getting really excited. But you have to wait. There's the arc seconds. All 57.778 arc seconds, which, when converted to degrees, is about 1/100th of a degree. Although, yes, that is small. It does mean that the interior angles of that triangle added up to more than 180, meaning the Earth's a globe. This is correct. It's more than 180. Doesn't matter if it was that small. It just matters that it was. If you did it from even farther away, like, let's say, California to New York with, northern Canada, you would see a triangle with interior angles much more than 180. But since they're pretty close together, probably within 400, 500 miles max, it's only going to be over 180 by a little bit. But it is over 180, so Earth's a globe. Well, if we take a look at the scoreboard one last time, and we add the point that Globe Earth just won from the topic of triangles, we see that Globe Earth has 5 and Flat Earth has -1, because of that horrendous explanation of the sun and moon. So, in conclusion, Earth is a globe. Even triangles prove it. I'm out of here. Flat Earth is over.